Greetings bafethu, it's your boy Meluleki Ndlela aka Ghost. Namhlanje sila eMzisho guys, we are doing a penalty challenge between Ghost and Teto. Probably one of the best player, one of the best penalty shooter, one of the best in everything mayithinta nje ball. So namhlanje guys, it's me, the Ghost versus the best. Showcase.
Come on, keeper, get in arena. I win arena. I got era Costa by just died. Shall do? I'm so with that too side. I keeper, Yazoo of Parel, Champions League. I run out of fish. Nice boy. I'm trying. Nice. Zola korong. Kami lagi syak so kayak gini. Zola korong. Ente bagi syak adu punya. Ai mampus. Kawan kipa. Kawan kipa. Kawan kipa. Ai. Dash. I need you man. I was guys at the court. I was okay. Come on, Teto, ball. I know. I saw the point. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm so shy to get out of the Aku saya gembor you kau keep your life. Jadi nada. Wajan keeper. Tukar. Toma la bola. Sabar keeper. Ujung tidak yang kaya. Ayo baca hati mana pernah cakap sama Boni lah. Sampai point. Yes, okay. Yes, nice keeper. Nice. Once you miss that penalty, it's out. Okay, I know. We call it the bra. Menang sokor am na deh gue. I know it's alright. I said relaxing. No more to pass. I bad the best man. Man, the keeper. Let's go, Tato, try part. I win that edge. I win that edge. I know, congratulations, father. Show him that boy. Next time, father. I don't think you prove you to everything. Best penalty take.